Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see how to present dataset in our web application. So, to present the data in our web page, first go to Solution Explorer. We can see there is a new folder called app_data. We can add this folder by clicking on our project, add ASP.NET folder, and in that folder application_data. I have put my database in this folder. So when I click on student database, it will automatically connect my database to the application. So we don't need to connect each time database with our application. Now I want to display list of students. So I am going to print student list in H1 tag. Let's see, student list in header tag is printed. I will also set a title of the web page, students. Now go to design view. So now we will see how to show data list in our web page. Go to server explorer. Now drag student master table on your page. We can see one grid view is generated with the SQL data source. Now let's see by running this application. Press Ctrl F5 or directly by run button. We can see the data in the database is on web page, so we can see all the data and all the fields of the table is generated and it is displayed on the web page. Now let's see what code is generated in the source. For a data grid view, we can see HTML code is generated, which is a data grid view, and all the field is derived from the database: ID, name, address, gender, etc. etc. One more control called SQL data source is generated. In SQL data source, all the configuration of deriving dataset from the database is generated. We can see query of the selection is also there, and one connection string, which is the most important part of the database. We can see connection string name is student connection string. This string is from web config file. So let's go to the solution explorer and open web config file. There is a one connection string, student connection string 1. Complete path of the database is given in the connection string or database in application_data folder. So there is a SQL Express is needed. There is a one attribute called integrated security. If you want to provide authentication at a time of database access, then we have to set this field as a false, but we don't want to do that. So this is a way of presenting a data set from the database. Thank you.